Isang retiring business owner takot mag-invest sa building. Pero ngayon, landmark na ang area niya. This is Architect Riza and I help property owners turn their empty lots into an earning land. May business owner kaming client na confused. Laging tumatawag sa akin, Riza, ipalis ko na lang ba tong lote ko? Ayoko na ng hassle, retiring na ako. Very valid. Sino ba namang ayaw ng less stress kapag pa-retire ka na, di ba? Pero ito yung hindi niya nakita agad. When we did the numbers and the design, kung irerenta niya lang ang lote, oo, hassle-free, pero maliit ang kita and forever niyang ibibigay sa iba ang potential ng property niya. Pero kung magpapagawa siya ng building, mas malaki ang kita, may asset siya na tumataas ang value, mas secured ang retirement niya. And this is the plot twist. Nakahanap agad ng leasee na nag-lease sa entire building for 15 years. At hindi pa yan, may projected ROI na 7 years. Meaning, after 7 years, puro passive income na. Pang-retirement na walang stress. May building pa na tatayo ng pang-matagalan. Tapos ito pa yung pinaka-amazing. Tumawag sa akin lately, Architect, pwede ba tayo magdagdag ng isa pang building for expansion? Kasi nagpapa-expand si leasee. From confused to Architect, dagdagan pa natin. All because we designed a building that made sense financially and architecturally. Kung may lote ka na, pinoproblema mo, ipapalis mo ba o papatayuan mo? Hindi mo kailangan manghula. Let's run your numbers. Let's design smart. Let's turn your next decision into your next big win.